What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, the first two will be my official IGs, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. That's my second IG. So make sure y'all go follow them. Got a lot of fake IGs out here, got a lot of fake YouTubes and Telegrams, people scamming people with my name. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, all right? So make sure y'all do that. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, it's early morning. Well, actually, it's 1:22 in the morning, but this video gonna drop probably around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. So today is early morning. A lot of people getting up, a lot of people getting ready for work. A lot of people have on their mind, on their brain, what can they do to start making passive income? What can they invest in to start making the money where they don't have to work a 9 to 5 job anymore? A lot of people want to know what can they invest in so they can stop ripping and running the streets all day. And there's a lot of different things that you can invest in. There's a lot of different things that you can put your money, and vice versa. You just sitting in one place and having it not make any more money for you. Now, the way of life is credit and investing. Get your credit together. You invest as much money as you can so you can make as much passive income as you can, right? And a lot of people have a hard time either getting money or figuring out what to invest their money in. Now, today we're going to be talking about stocks. And a lot of people don't know or know about stocks, but they don't know what to invest in, how the stock game works, and things like that. And I don't know everything about stocks, but I have a good understanding about stocks, and I understand enough where I understand if I put my money in certain stocks, it can make me a lot of money back in the long run, passively, for the future. Or short term. It's short term stocks and it's long term stocks. It's just all about what you are interested in, right? So today I'm gonna be talking about investing your money in stocks and what stocks to invest your money in. Now, my goal when I make these videos is to get everybody out there in the world, everybody out there in the community, the YouTube community, everybody who's watching my videos, that's subscribed to my channel, to be one day be able to be in the position to become a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, billionaire, and do whatever you want to do, make the money that you want to make, and live the life that you want to live. And the way you're going to do that is putting your thinking cap on and actually telling yourself, like, you know what? Only person that's gonna change my life is me. And I know I don't know everything, but I know a lot about a little bit. So I know a little bit about a lot. So, and I know enough to get me in certain positions. I know enough to understand certain things and certain ways to move in life and certain things to invest in. I understand that when you're younger, you want to buy all these fancy, shiny things and look cool. And then as you get older, you get more bills, you get more independent. No one's going to take care of you because I'm going to be 100% honest with you. It's a lot of people who are grown adults who are still dependents. And it's real sad to say. It's a lot of people like that. It's a lot of people who's 30, 35, 40, 40, 50 that's never been out on their own. And what I mean out on their own is people that age that's never had their own home, they paid bills by themselves, never had an independent life. They either stayed with their mom, dad, aunt, uncle, granny, or something till they met some woman, started dating her, started staying with her, started making kids, having kids. Now they got a family. They having problems, they arguing, but they sticking together because they've been together so long, and it's just what it is, what it is. You got people who get out of high school, stay with their parents, meet this guy, start staying with this guy, meet another guy, start staying with that guy, meet another guy, start staying with that guy, meet another woman, start staying with that woman, and never really had their own anything from car, house, paid bills. And then when I say that, it's like, okay, if you been going this long without having your being independent, I know you don't your credit is bad. I know you don't even have credit because you're not independent. Independent people have to put themselves in a position to build their credit because you got to pay bills, you got to pay this, you got to pay that, you got to pay rent, you got to pay mortgage, you got to pay car notes, you got to work a job or do something to make money to pay your bills. You got to do something. It's a lot of people out there that are scared to be independent. It's a lot of people who was taught don't get credit cards, don't get loans, don't do this and don't do that. Because that's what they brainwashed us to do, so we won't be able to get this knowledge to be able to elevate in life. Now, when it comes to stocks are an investment. You can lose your investment, you can triple your investment. It's all about being smart. And what do I mean about being smart? This is what I mean about being smart. You got to put your thinking cap on again. You got to understand. You got to think. Like, okay, you got to think. You got to ask yourself, what are some things that people are going to want and need for the rest of our lives? What are some products that we are going to need for the rest of our lives, right? So let's start naming some products. We got toothpaste. We got tissue. We got water. We got new computers. We got new companies. We got so many different things that people are going to tissue, toilet paper, kitchen supplies, things like that. There's so many different products out there that we're going to need for the rest of our lives, right? Boom, okay. We all got our favorite stores, right? Walmart, Costco's, Kroger. We all got bank accounts. Chase, US, Wells Fargo. We all got our favorite stores that we shop at. Macy's, Saks Fifth, you name it, right? And these are all stores that we go and we spend money to help someone else get rich. So let's think about it. If you can, why not invest into these companies to make money off them and make your money back? You can go invest $200 into an upcoming water company. You can go invest $200 into a Walmart. You can go invest $200 into a Saks Fifth. You can go invest $200 into your bank that you bank with that's making money off you. You can go invest $200 into a new wholesale warehouse store that's like a Walmart or something like that. You can go invest into these things. You might go invest into a new wholesale store like a Walmart or Kroger or Hebe or something like that. 6 years later, your $200 might turn to $200,000. It might turn to $2 million because you seen the vision. You seen that, okay, this is going to be the next big thing. You invested in it and you made a profit. You might be homeless 6 years later. And now you got $2 million knocking on your door because of the investment you made. Stop saving money. Start investing money. Start putting your money into these stocks. And where can you go to put your money into stocks? Webull. Webull has stocks. Webull will literally give you free stocks and help you with trading and investing in stocks and crypto and things like that. I'm going to be making more videos on investing in the stocks because I'm getting more into stocks. I'm going to start investing in stocks, and I'm going to take you guys on my investing journey into stocks so you guys can see the results, so you guys can see that, hey, I remember when he started investing in the stocks, and now look, he's making this and doing that. Like, because I want everybody out there to understand anything is possible. The only reason anything is not happening because you haven't started it yet. Once you start and keep going and be consistent with anything, you'll be able to look back and see the progress and the growth that you started with. Point blank, period. With anything in life, let's say you just start you a YouTube channel today. You don't have no channel, you don't have no subscribers, no videos. But you figure, okay, you go get you a banner. You go get you a banner made for $10 on Fiverr. You go get your profile picture made on Fiverr. You got you a niche. Now you start finding you certain videos and certain short videos that you can start posting on your channel to start generating subscribers. Because once you post a video on YouTube, it's now in the algorithm. And whatever you describe that video as, it might catch in different videos, and people might see that and click on it, and somebody might be intrigued and subscribe to your channel. Now you have one subscriber. So we're gonna be talking about more stocks. We're gonna be get more into investing. We're gonna be get more into being blessed because we're gonna be doing more investing. Stop saving money. We're gonna get more into the credit. We're gonna get more into the business credit. Show you guys how to build it. Show you guys how to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit. Show you guys how to really become entrepreneurs. Show you guys how to elevate in life. So shout out to everybody that's up early watching this video, getting these gems, getting this information. Allow me to plant this knowledge into your head so you can start getting new ideas, new ways to start investing and making money, because like I said, it's a billion ways for us to make money out there. We just got to figure out what it is that we're interested in, what we have a passion for, get the knowledge with it, and apply that knowledge. So that's what we're going to continue to do, man. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, subscribers, new subscribers. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. All right, so shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all tapping in and get y'all unlimited gems, FaceTime 101s, $1,200. I'm going to teach you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to invest. I'm going to show you how to make certain channels and pages to make passive income. I'm going to give you certain documents. I'm going to give you the sauce, the game, methods, everything that you need to do to start making thousands of dollars and start changing your life around. I'm going to show you how to potentially make $30,000 in a month. That's $1,000 a day. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all investing. Make sure y'all booking your seat right now on the crypto tour. In person, unlimited gems. Tap in. Come to me. It's $3,500. I come to you out of state. It's $4,500. $500 deposit. Once you pay your deposit, we're going to pick a date. We're going to set that up, book everything, and we're going to get to work once we meet each other. All right? So make sure y'all got y'all money together for that. Also, make sure y'all, I'm still looking for people for the production company. Actors, models, rappers, producers, cameraman, content creators. All right? Music reviews is $200. So you interested in joining the Hussle Nation Empire? You're looking to get one of these chains, get a iced out watch, get you a little kit, start generating some funds. Tap in. Music reviews is $200. You're not looking to pay $200 to enter the music review, pay $200. Please don't send me your music because this is business. If you're not willing to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into your music career? All right, this is nothing is free with this entertainment business. It costs millions of dollars to get one person popping, to get one thing popping. Take that in consideration. Nothing is free. Got to pay for traveling, marketing, promotion, wardrobe, placement, interviews, to get on a lot of different things. All right, so take that in consideration. Models, tap in. Any beautiful young lady out there that's just ready to work, just ready to get on that camera, ready to put in some work. You're going to be in skits, blogs, movies, music videos. We're going to figure out what type of business you want to run, because we're going to turn you into a real queen, a real entrepreneur, a real business owner. We're going to do all that. So make sure you tap in. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulder. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. All right. I don't have time to be working with people who think they doing something when they're really not. Don't tell me that. Don't try to gloat and show me that you this and that, when if you was big and bad, why you're not doing what you're supposed to do? Why haven't no man put you in a position that he should have did? And that's why I'm here, to put you in that position that you should be in. All right, so let's work, ladies. Cameraman, anybody in Houston, Texas, any good cameraman with a 4K, 8K, 6K, red, Sony 4K, any of that, and got some good editing skills, tap in with me. Let's work. Let's get this money. Let's push out this content. I'm gonna be doing a lot of traveling. I will be going to Miami, Florida for Memorial Day, kicking off my new channel, OG Hussle. I'm gonna be doing interviews, asking people relationship questions, credit questions, all type of stuff like that. We gonna kick it off at South Beach, so make sure y'all tap in that. Cameraman, I need a cameraman for that. So like I said, any cameraman out there, if you in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or can travel, you a real cameraman, which means if I go to your IG and you got real videos that you edited, shot, and you got good editing skills, and you got a good camera, 4K, red, you get what I'm saying? Tap in, let's work, let's get this money, all right? Producers, tap in, let's collab on some beats, good stuff like that. And come get y'all mentorships, $2,500. I'm going to take you under my wing. I'm going to get you together. I'm going to show you how to make this money, show you about the dark web and all that good stuff like that. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come get y'all gems, man. Make sure y'all come get y'all sauce. It's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I see you at the next. Peace. Good morning. Let's get this money.